Week 8 was a whirlwind. Time for risers and fallers. Riser, Miami Dolphins. Leave it to Brian Flores to make to his debut a footnote in their drubbing of the LA Rams. This Dolphins team is exciting, young, fast, and only gaining confidence. They can be a real contender in the AFC East and for a wild card spot. Faller, Cleveland Browns. They could have made a statement by beating the Raiders. Instead, they flopped like a loose umbrella in the wind. Given that they play in a division with the Steelers and Ravens, this loss to the Raiders could come back to haunt them in the wild card race down the stretch. Riser, Cincinnati Bengals. They didn't just beat the Titans, they whooped them for the better part of the game. The Bengals have been in most of their games, and I think they finally found a winning formula. Between Joe Burrow slinging it around and a defense gaining confidence, this Cincy team is going to be a tough out going forward. Faller, Tennessee Titans. If you want to be considered one of the elites, you can't drop a game to the Bengals. Cincy may have found a blueprint for containing A.J. Brown and exposing the Titans' lack of pass rush. If a rookie in Joe Burrow can pick you apart, just imagine what Mahomes would do to this defense.